Hi, welcome to this short demo on how to use Akave Cloud with RClone. I'm Bart Hofkin, Solutions Architect at Akave, and I'll be demonstrating today how to configure Akave Cloud as a remote in RClone, allowing simple migration from other major cloud providers like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Akave supports the same bucket object structure as all the major cloud providers, allowing you to seamlessly transfer your cloud data and relational structures into Akave in one go, while maintaining the benefits of immutable, verifiable, decentralized storage. To use Akave with RClone, all it takes are Akave credentials and the RClone CLI, which I've already installed using Homebrew on this macOS device. Reach out to us on akave.com to get your Akave credentials. Once you have RClone installed, open your terminal. For this demo, I'll show you how to move a few image files from AWS into Akave. This bucket on AWS S3 has some photos that we can transfer over. To do this, I'll configure a remote in RClone that I'll name Akave, pointing to our S3 compatible endpoint. So here, we're going to select a new remote, name it Akave, and then for type of storage to configure, we're going to select number 4, which is AWS compatible storage. We're going to go ahead and select any other S3 compatible provider, option number 34. For this option, we can leave it blank, and then we just enter our access key and ID. We can also leave the region field blank, and then we add in our Akave endpoints. And then add in the Akave endpoint URL that you want to use, and the rest of the options can be left as their default. Say this is okay. And now we have a new remote in RClone named Akave. Next, we'll use RClone to create a brand new bucket on the Akave network named Bart RClone bucket. Now we're going to use the sync command to transfer all files from the source bucket on AWS to the destination bucket that I just created on Akave. I like to use the progress flag to be able to see how the transfer is going. All of the images in our AWS bucket have quickly been copied over, and now I can use the AWS CLI to see that all of these images are now listed in my Akave bucket. Using our handy O3 API in RClone, you can easily migrate all your data from your current cloud provider to the Akave network. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to connect with us, scan the QR code on the left to talk to our sales team, or join our Telegram on the right to learn more about Akave and get access to updates with our development tools. Thank you.